It's windy, but a box just showed up and I want to show you what's inside. Solar pendant light. Now this was described as a shed light, and it has a remote control, and you can change it from cool to warm light. So I was thinking that it would work really good inside the Coop barn to put some light in there, and it would be solar powered, and because it has a remote, we can mount the remote on the wall and then basically be able to turn the light on in there if we need it. So let's see what we got. And I got two, because you never know where you're going to want another one. Ooh, it comes with two. And the batteries. Some serious hardware. Cable, bracket, solar panel. And the light itself. So I think we just need a hook to hang this from the rafters, and we'll put it up high inside the barn, and then we'll run the cord out so that we can mount the solar panel. So let's go over to the barn. I'm going to grab some tools and I'll meet you over there. Okay, so I have the bracket, and I got a couple screws with a couple washers. And we're just going to screw it into the wood. But I have to figure out where based on how long the cable is. So I'm going to hang the light first and then run the cable, and then I can figure out a best location for the bracket for the solar panel. And I was going to do a hook, but I found we have eyes, and I found this old, used and faded carabiner, but it still works, so I'm going to do that. That way if the leg gets bumped or whatever, it's not going to be thrown off a hook, it's going to be attached. And my leg extensions. Not that high, but I'm not that tall, so. Never hurts to have a step ladder. Alright, so I brought the drill and the driver. But I only brought one battery, because I think I only need to drill one hole for the hook. I'll always center it. easy. Just use a screwdriver in the eye to turn it around. We'll hang the light. So I'm thinking, just because we probably will put gutters on this building, I'm thinking the solar panel could actually be right up there. But then it might be in the way and we'd have to move it. So I think what I'm going to do is put it over here on this side, and maybe even on the side of the building. So, gotta run the wire. Let's see how long it is. I think it's gonna be long enough. I know they said how long it was, but I don't, when I ordered it, but I don't remember what that was. So, let's see, probably go in here on the corner. Let me turn the camera so I know you can see. What I'm working on. Go in there. Support. And then that way. This would be like that. And we can see the height that we need the bracket screwed in at. Like right about there. And just gonna move in closer. Now we've got that installed, and we're gonna put the batteries in the remote control. Yep. The solar panel is all hooked up, the light is hung, remotes are in, or the batteries are in the remote, and now we have to wait until nighttime for the light to work. It says in here, it's kind of stupid, if you ask me, please do not press the on button of the remote to turn your lamp on. It's pretty funny. Why does it have an on button then? Anyway, we'll wait until dark. I'll come back out with the camera and see how it works. So, quick and easy project, but we have to wait for results. Okay, so once it is on, you can then use the remote to turn it off. And once it's off, you can use the remote to turn it back on. Off, on, and then there's full bright or half bright. And then there's also auto features where you can make it come on at dusk and then shut off at dawn, and then or come on at dusk and stay on for 3 hours, 5 hours, or 8 hours before it turns off. So it's pretty cool. I like it. I'll put the item number in the description. I think it gives off pretty good light. And that way, if you needed light in here and you didn't have a flashlight with you, you've got a solar light on the ceiling. Yeah? Do you like the light? Yeah? Yeah. I think that's good. What do you think, guys?